Huh?
Hey there, Smashy Squad! Look what I have today! A super special squash! Oh my goodness! What is a squash? Well, your old pal Smashy here has 3 fun facts about this here squash. You ready? Fact number 1. A squash is as hard as a rock. What do I mean by that? Well, the outside of a squash is so tough, it's like a little bowling ball. You need a strong, big adult to help you cut it open if you want to squash. All right. And fact number 2, squash is part of the gourd family. And that means it's related to pumpkins and cucumbers. It's like having veggie relatives all together, like little cousins and family members. It's so awesome having family members, right? All right. And fact number 3, eating a spaghetti squash can help you get big and strong because it's packed with so much vitamins that help keep your body healthy.
Oh.
Now, Smashy Squad, do you know what shape this is? That's right, it's an oval. Do you know what color it is? That's right.
Right.
Yellow. Now I wonder what color's inside. Well, let's find out together. All right, Smashy Squad. Now before we smash this squash open and find out what's inside, we have to put on our safety gear so we can be safe. I'll be right back. All right, Smashy Squad. I have on my safety gear. My safety gloves, my safety apron, and my safety hat. Can't forget my safety goggles. I'm ready to find out what's inside that squash.
Yay!
All right, let's find out together. Wow.
Woohoo!
Before we smash it open, Smashy Squad, can you spell squash with me? Thank you. On the count of 3, we're gonna spell squash. 1, 2, 3. S Q U A S H. Squash! Now let's find out what's inside this squash. On the count of 3, we're gonna smash it open. Right. Count with me, Smashy Squad. 1, 2, 3. Smash!
Wow!
Oh my goodness! Look what's inside! The outside was yellow and the inside is orange? Well, it's a little yellow too, but I see a little orange. And look at these small seeds. These small seeds are what turn this big squash into something that we can love and enjoy in life. All right, Smashy Squad, thank you for tuning in. I hope you check out my next video because that one is gonna be Smash-tastic.